Hi everyone, my name is Sarika Narayan Singh, and in this short video, I want to show you how to use Actively Learn as a student. Let's go take a look. So this is what my class looks like. I'm a student, and I'm just going to go into one of the articles my teacher assigned for me. Now, first off, a couple things that I really like looking at are adjusting the text setting. I find it really tough to read things that are a little bit too condensed. So sometimes I like to add a little bit of spacing between the lines. If you're like me, maybe you need your text a little bit bigger. You can also change the font as well as the theme. I'm a dark mode kind of person. And I love having the paragraph numbers on. But at the end of the day, it's all up to you. Now, something really cool about Actively Learn is as a student, I can just listen to the text. So let's say I pop in my earbuds and I'm washing some dishes or doing dinner. I can just listen to the text from the beginning.
Getting a mobile game made by a woman run.
And as you can see, I can also adjust the settings and I can decide what kind of voice I want to listen to. If I just want to hear one section, I can just highlight that. And once I do that, a little pop-up shows up and I can just hear it.
By the end of this article, you should have a good understanding.
Now, when I'm looking at some of these questions, what I'm realizing also is when you highlight, not only can I hear it, I can translate the question. So if I were so lucky and I spoke another language, I could actually read this question in another language. Another thing that I really like about Actively Learn is if I come across a word that I don't know, I can just double click on it. And I have the option of defining the word. And it just pops up over here on the right. I can also listen to how it's pronounced. Now, another thing I like to do when I'm reading is actually to add some notes, just as reminders to myself when I start to realize something is really important or if something is related to a previous paragraph. So to do that in Actively Learn, all I have to do is highlight whatever section is meaningful to me. And it has the option of highlight and take note. If I want to, I can file it under a category to myself, or I can just leave it as a general category. I can just write a note to myself. This reminds me of, and then I can save it. Now, another thing to look out for is sometimes your teacher will leave notes that will help you understand the text. So if you click on this notes icon up in the upper right-hand corner, now you can start seeing all of the notes that your teachers left for you, as well as your notes. Great. I hope that this video has been useful to you and you know now how to use Actively Learn to your benefit. Cheers.